Have you ever stopped to think about the impact that soft drinks and other processed beverages have on our health and the environment? Behind every soda can, there is a story we don't always know. The mass production of these beverages significantly contributes to water pollution and natural resource wastage. Large corporations use exorbitant amounts of water in the production of their beverages, leaving entire communities without access to this vital resource. Moreover, the excessive consumption of sugar and additives present in these products can have serious repercussions on our health, increasing the risk of diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. But there is hope. Each of us can make a difference. Choosing to stop consuming sodas and other processed liquids not only benefits our health, but also helps to protect the environment and conserve water for future generations. Let's change our habits together and choose healthier and more sustainable options. Every small step counts in the fight for a healthier and more sustainable world. Stop consuming sodas, for your health and for the planet.